Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to turn this baby alive doll into Ladybug from Miraculous Ladybug. I have a top and some pants here that we're going to dress the doll in to make her transform into Ladybug, but the first thing we have to do is draw some spots on them. And to do that, I'm going to get a piece of cardboard. I'm just going to tape the top down as flat as possible. And then using this fabulous Sharpie right here, I'm going to make the dots. Then I'll do the same thing on the pants. Hey, that looks good. Now that we have our Ladybug outfit, I'm going to dress the doll. And watch this. I'm going to pretend like I'm cool. Watch this. Watch this. Boom! There we go. Yep. Okay, that's starting to look a little bit more like Ladybug, but we've got to take it a step further. Now she needs a wig. This is probably my favorite part of making custom art dolls, styling their hair, because I get to use wigs, I get to do all sorts of different hairstyles, I get to cut their hair and style it, and I get to pretend I'm a hairdresser, which I'm really not. And since you're watching me cut her hair right now, you would agree that I'm not really a good hairstylist, but I do have fun doing it, and that's really all that matters. Alright, so I got it to this point, and I think it's much, much better. But Miraculous has pigtails, so we're going to do that next. Since this was incredibly hard to do on a wig, and even harder to do on camera, I had to do it off camera. But I think it turned out pretty good. To make Ladybug's mask, I used a piece of red felt, and I placed it over her eyes, and I kind of felt around and drew the shape of her eyes, and then used a marker to make the mask outline over that. Does that make sense? Just watch. Once I had the outline of her mask completed, I cut it out, and then I taped it to the cardboard and drew on the spots. Then I attached it to the doll. You know what? I think she turned out pretty good. Next, I thought it would be fun to make a Miraculous Ladybug birdhouse. To make this birdhouse, I thought about what Marinette would really have in her room. She likes a lot of pinks and flowers and black and white, and so those were the colors and the things I used for inspiration in making this birdhouse. think it turned out pretty good. I love this birdhouse. I use it for decoration. I really think it's really cute. It sits on an end table in my hallway because it's darling. I also thought it would be a lot of fun to make her Yo-Yo. And so I had this macaroon laying around. It used to have slime inside, but I took the slime out and then I started making Marinette's Yo-Yo. I painted it white first to have a base layer. Then I painted it red with black spots. And look, you can still open it up. It can still be used. It can be like a little container. And now here are all of these creations all together. I think the doll turned out great. I love the birdhouse. I love the yo-yo. I just think this is just such a cute set. And now for a bonus video, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature light up cloud. This is a really great miniature to add to a diorama or to your collection in general. And now for our bonus video or super bonus video, I'm going to show you how to make unicorn wall art, also for your miniature diorama. right, guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for liking, subscribing, for commenting down below. I truly appreciate it. You guys are the best. I will see you next time.